Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video, another review, another educational video so that I can teach you guys how to get the best products, items for the lowest prices. So if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. We do a lot of videos regarding fashion, designer reviews, shoes reviews, bags, and all that good jazz. You know, that's not going to cost you, the prices that they're asking you at the stores. Trust me, there's a cheaper way. And if you are an OG to the channel, thank you from the bottom of my heart for tuning in to yet another video. So today, yes, today is a very exciting day because I have a review for a bag. As you guys saw by the thumbnail and title, we are going to be reviewing a Louis Vuitton messenger bag, or I don't think it's called messenger bag. It has a different name, which I can't recall in this exact moment. But I've seen this bag everywhere on Instagram. Just a bunch of people have this specific style bag because there's so many colors, and trust me, I'm getting more colors because like I have mentioned before, I usually purchase whenever there's a new seller. I usually purchase one item only from their store and wait until it arrives for me to then continue to order more. So for example, the bag I'm going to show you today, I actually do want 2 more colors that they are selling, but I was waiting for this one to arrive to check it out to ensure quality and details are good before I go ahead and purchase more. I don't ever suggest you guys buy in bulk amounts from a seller if it's your first time. I have sellers who I've been working with for about a year now, and I can trust them whether the link has reviews or not. I know the seller is good quality, so just wanted to put that out there. That's just how I do my judgment on the Dhgate app. So without any more talking, let's go ahead and jump right into the review. Alrighty, so I do want to say that this came in a box that I no longer have. A friend of mine came over my house this morning and we started checking out the bag. So I got rid of all the packaging, but this bag came inside a small box big enough to fit this little package as you see it. And then the bag was inside a poly mailer. So it came very well packed, and I'm going to show you how it's packed on the inside. So now I tried to put it back together the way they had it. So as you guys can see, we do have this beautiful dust bag that has the Louis Vuitton logo, and then it does have a sticker that you guys can see right here. And we also have the above angle shots for you guys to kind of see that. So basically, this is the way it came. I can tell you guys that the bag is really good quality. It's very soft, and I just love how it looks, So I am 100% sure, for sure, keeping the bag. I actually have a drawer full of plastic bags and just stuff like these when they're very nice. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and remove the sticker. And then I hope you guys are ready because this thing is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this right here might be the Louis Vuitton with Migos collaboration. Correct me in the comments, and I'm going to correct myself on the screen if I'm wrong, but I believe this is from that collaboration. And it's so, so beautiful. What I love about the bag is the design, which is a very square-ish bag, kind of like a trunk. I believe that's what it's called. A side trunk bag, I think it's called. And then I love the hints of the orange parts that it has. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastics. And then as you can see, it does have protected plastics on the metal parts so that it doesn't scratch. And again, I cannot give you guys the links, names, or none of that through YouTube. This is just an educational video. Remember, there are guidelines that I have to respect so that YouTube does not take down my channel. So please don't be upset at me. I won't be telling you because I am not promoting or, telling you guys to go ahead and, buy from this person. So this is just an educational video. If you have any further questions, you have to DM me on my Instagram and I'll be happy to help you. So on the inside of the bag, it has this filler. It's just a bag. And then it obviously has the shoulder strap, which was inside and also comes wrapped in this paper. Alrighty, so right now that I removed all of the plastics, I did just get a like a whiff of very heavy glue smell, but it's okay. The way I usually handle that smell is just leave the bag, you know, just outside. And so in my case, I'm gonna leave it on this table overnight, and by tomorrow it shouldn't stink anymore. If it does, then what I can do also is grab some of the drying sheets, like the ones you put in your dryer with your clothes. I can put some of those inside and again leave them overnight. Should get rid of the smell. So wow. So all of this is real metal. Like you guys can hear it. You know, it's pretty heavy. Let me tell you that. And then this right here, I don't think it's actual. I think it might be actual metal. I'm not sure if it is. For sure this is 100%. But this right here doesn't feel that heavy, but it doesn't feel like plastic either. So, alrighty. So we have this front pocket right here. Zippers are somewhat easy. They're easy to open, but as you guys can see, there is a kind of like difficult time to kind of close it back. So maybe with the wear, it just you see, it just gets smoother. So and then on the inside, I don't know if I will be able to show you. Oh, there we go. So as you guys can see, there's a pouch right here, so you can store some stuff here. I believe it also, yeah, it also has the brand right here. It says Louis Vuitton right inside, and that's pretty much it. So it only has one divider for you to maybe put your car holder, and that's pretty much it. Now, maybe for size reference, I have right here my iPhone 12 Pro. I believe this is a 6.2 inch screen. So if I put it on here, you guys can see it's a little bit bigger than my iPhone. So I don't know if it might be about a 6.5 inch. Hold on, I have something better for you guys. You guys gotta leave a like to appreciate, you know, to show appreciation for my efforts. So I have a tape measure right here. So as you guys can see, the bag is 7 inches. Let's say maybe by 5.5 or so, which is a good size. I believe the retail one is a little bit bigger. I may be wrong, not too sure. Again, it's just so beautiful, so beautiful. So I'm gonna cut the video right here, guys. I hope you loved it. I hope you appreciate me bringing these kind of products to the channel. I'm excited that I stumbled upon this seller right here on Dhgate. The app itself, it's a little bit weird the way it works, because I believe the more you buy, the more Dhgate kind of recommends for you certain items. So this one right here was recommended to me, and I actually checked out the seller. I saw that he had a lot of reviews, over 100 sales and reviews, and there were about 15 or more buyers who had posted photos of the item. So that's why I went ahead and trusted the seller and just pulled the trigger without asking him for photos. Because usually when you find sellers who allow buyers to post photos of the items they buy, it's so much easier to ensure that you're getting a product you know, that looks good. So I'm very happy with this one. Again, I'm going to go ahead and buy 2 more of the same one. I want the one that's all black color, and there's another one that's like a green with white letters and it says Louis Vuitton on it. So expect a review for those bags. I'm so excited that I have this one, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because there you will see how I will be styling this bag. Again, so excited. And before I go, this is basically how it kind of looks. So fits really nice. So nice. So nice. I love it. So make sure you subscribe for more videos to come. Again, if you have any further questions, DM me on my Instagram. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.